Hello again, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the new Meta Chameleon model, and we're going to be running it locally. But I know they released it about a year ago, but they made some updates, and now it's truly multi-modal. The difference is they have a single tokenizer for both text and image, and instead of using late fusion, I think they call it early fusion is what they use. So let's just go ahead and take a listen from them.
Meta Chameleon is a unified multimodal model with joint modeling of text and images in one transformer. It's able to perform any combination of interleaved text and images in its input and output without the need for modality-specific modules. Meta Chameleon uses tokenization for text and images, making for a more unified approach. We believe this approach can scale better than late fusion or modular models while being easier to design and maintain.
So that's Meta's take on it. But I just want to go ahead and show you. Here's the GitHub repo, and I'll post the link to this and how to install it in the description of the video. But it's all right here. So once you have everything up and running, they offer you this Chameleon viewer, and it's pretty slick. So I have some test scripts I want to run. I'm not going to be doing any images or any videos, as they claim you can do videos as well, based on the limitations of running it locally. But I will place this on a server for further testing. So here we're just going to say, what is a novel implementation of AI for an online community to leverage in an effort to increase membership? Not a chatbot nor a recommendation engine. So I do have the max gen tokens set at 1024 I don't want to blow up my GPU. So let's run it and see what it says. Novel implementation, personalized newsfeed. Okay, so that's pretty slick. So let's kind of give it some variety, and let's say describe college football fans in the Southeastern Conference. Let's see what it's got. So SEC fans, known for passion, loyalty, enthusiasm. Talks about Auburn, Georgia, go Dogs, things like that. So that's pretty good. Let's run a couple more. We'll say, let's see how it does with code generation. I'm not actually going to run the code. I just want to see what it looks like from a cursory level. So I'm going to ask it to generate code to train a transformer model for image classification. I mean, it's running pretty quick. I am running 4090 16 GB RTX GPU. It's pretty quick, and I do like the layout of the Chameleon viewer. It's really clean. Wow, it's pretty good so far. Final one, we'll just say, I just want to do a quick test right quick and say, write the code to train a transformer to detect vulnerabilities in software code. I think this is much needed actually, and this is a project that we have on the back burner right now, but probably be launching it shortly. Pretty good. Like I said, just at a cursory glance, it's pretty good. Obviously, the quality of the model is going to be determined by some fine tuning and the data set that's provided, as well as some other features. But like I said, at a cursory glance, it's wow, it explains it and everything. Atom optimizer, learning rates, pretty good. So there you have it. I am not, like I said, I'm not going to try to run the image, but so I did find a funny image that I wanted to show regarding AI and ethics. And so it's just got a bunch of robots laughing at human ethics and moral. Obviously, that's a generated image. It's not one that I generated, but there you have it. Chameleon multimodal model testing locally with Chameleon Viewer from Meta by FalconsAI. Thank you for your time. 125.